Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below to get notifications of what is going on here, which is lots of lives, giveaways, Beauties and the Beat on Sunday nights, all kinds of good stuff. And today I am unboxing my Allure beauty box, and I hope it doesn't suck. This is a $23 a month box, but I subscribed for a year and got locked in at the $15 price, so I am grandfathered in. And we open it up, and there's some stuff in here. We have a little pamphlet with a beautiful face on it. There's always beautiful ladies. Maybe we'll have a gent one day. And let's see what we have in here. I need my glasses. Very lovely. Because I can never read the tiny, tiny print. So let's go with the first thing in here that I see, which is Beauty Surfacing Compound. And the editors always have, little descriptions in here. And this editor has dealt with hyperpigmentation for as long as they can remember. And her pimples have a way of leaving dark spots behind. That sucks. And this serum has many brightening, smoothing ingredients that she looks for, including alpha hydroxy acids, retinol, plus clarifying witch hazel, and hydrating vitamin C and vitamin E. And she applies a few pumps with a moisturizer, and after a few days, her complexion was looking all around brighter. This is $148. What? I gotta look at this. This is an amazing box this month already. To have a $148 product in here? That's insane. That is like some super high, oh my god, this is so high end. It's a plastic, but it looks like glass, and it looks really nice, and it's got an ounce of fluid, which is usually what serums are. Ooh, it's kind of a clear amber toned serum. Very slippery feeling, very emollient. I think that's gonna go sink into my skin very nicely. It feels good. $148, ladies and gentlemen. That is some pretty crazy town stuff right there. The next up is from Kristoff Robin. Ooh, and this is a really nice size because you're supposed to get 3 full-size things in this box. And so this is Kristoff Robin Daily Hair Cream. And this person's always been a fan of air drying, but now that she's in her 30s, her hair's a little drier, a lot fuzzier. And you'd never know it because she uses the silicone-free leave-in hydrating smoothing ingredients like glycerin and apricot kernel oils let her air dry without frizz or puffiness. But the favorite way is to use it on clean, dry hair post-air drying. And, I used to air dry my hair all the time until I got a cute haircut, and now I blow dry. But this would still be good for that also. And it's got sandalwood, so it's going to smell. Is there a seal on it? Yeah. I'm not going to open the seal just yet because I have so many hair elixirs right now. But this is great, and this is $43, and I'm going to say that this is full size because it's 3.4 ounces. Very cool. Next up, I have from Floss, the Lip Advocate in Your Honor. This is $18. I should be keeping track of this. So, $148. So we're already at $209. I always have trouble with these box lids, especially on lippies and little mascaras and stuff. Let's use the scissors, shall we? There we go. I didn't destroy anything. And this is, I know you're probably wondering, well, where lip color, while most people, oh, that's beautiful. While most people are only seeing my eyes, but hear me out, this sheer crayon is much more than a pretty hue. The formula is made with shea butter, so it keeps lips soft, hydrated without cracks. And the berry wash is so flattering, it layers well. And she just uses it for a tint or layers it up when she wants more of a dramatic look. Very cool. I have like 1 million lippies, so this is definitely going to go in a giveaway in the future. Next up, we have the Medeca Derma Revitalizing Mask. And it looks like a very fancy package. It's 100% pure cotton sheet mask for fresh, youthful looking skin. And this is $19.99 for a pack of 10, so it's $1. And it says that, you know, when you haven't left home for a long time and your skin is dry, this is a nice moisturizing mask to wear. I'm just synopsizing. Synopsizing, that's not a word. But it's a freaking sheet mask. What do you want from it? It's going to moisturize. That's about it. And 2 things left. And this is from La Roche-Posay. Posay, don't get your mind in the gutter. And this is the Enthusiast Melted Milk Sunscreen SPF 100. 50 is usually what most sunscreens are that are effective. 100, I don't know how well the 100 really works. But, you know, the cardinal rule of skincare is to wear sunscreen every day. And it's hard to stick to, I have to admit. But this is a melt-in kind of formula, and it's great. And it's $24.99 for a full size. Let's call this $1. And then we've got one more thing left. And it is from Amore Pacific. And it is the Treatment Cleansing Foam. And let's see what this looks like. And this is $50 full size. So let's call this $2. And it's a tiny little size. And it says, this has got to be one of the fanciest face washes I've ever tried. Foams quickly, so satisfying, but because it's infused with rich oils and mango seed butter, it feels soft and cushiony. And this tube delivers. A pea-sized squirt is all I need for a deep clean. Well, I hope so. Well, if you only need a pea-sized squirt, this will last you for quite a while. But this is definitely a sample size. So the value of the box is $213. So we have the facial wash, the lippy, which is a full-size item, this hair cream, which is a full-size item, this $148 serum, which is a full-size item. And actually, this mask is a full-size item, but it's part of a 10-pack. So, and then we've got the little sunscreen. So this is a great box this month. For $23, you definitely get your money's worth out of it. And I'm going to say thumbs up on this box this month. Way to go, Allure. Keep up the good work. And we'll see you real soon.